Hello, first graders. It is time for Reader's Workshop. Today for Reader's Workshop, the objective is I can identify problem and solution. Before we begin, we are going to review some sight words. So let's just look at the Unit 3 sight words today. And let's try to read them before Miss Smith does, okay? So you read them first. But, not, what, all, were. No, when, your, can, said, there, use, because, each, which. Now let's look at the new words. She, do, how, where, there. Okay, so go ahead and pause the video so that you can get a whiteboard, a marker, and eraser so that we can write our new sight words, okay? Okay, hopefully you have your things. The first word is she. Let's write the word she. Sh, S-H. And then the letter E. Let's write the word she in capital letters. S, H, E. Let's write the word she really tiny. S, H, E. What's the word? She. Try to write the word she in a sentence. My sentence is going to be, where is she going? Where is she going? And I put a question mark. And then circle the word she. Make up your own sentence. The next word was the word do. Can you say do? Let's write the word do. D, O. Make sure your D is facing the right way. Let's write the word do in capital letters. D, O. Do. Let's write the word do in tiny letters. D, O. Do. Can you think of a sentence using the word do? My sentence says, where do you live? And let me circle the word do. The next sight word is the word how. Let's write the word how. H, O, W. Let's write the word how in all capital letters. H, O, W. How. Let's write the word how in teeny tiny letters. H, O, W. How. What is a sentence I can make with the word how? Can you show me how to tie my shoe? How. The next sight word is the word where. Where. Let's write the word where. W-H-E-R-E. Where. Let's write it in all capital letters. W H E R E. Where. And let's write it in little letters, tiny letters. W-H-E-R-E. Where. What is a sentence you can make using the word where? My sentence says, where are the cookies? Where. And our last sight word this week is the word there. Where and there are rhyming words. Remember, this word there means over something that belongs to someone. T-H-E-I-R. There. Like this is their house. Let's write it in capital letters. T-H-E-I-R. There. And let's write it in teeny tiny letters. T-H-E-I-R. There. Let's make a sentence. Let's go to their party. The sight word is there. All right. So make sure that you are practicing reading your sight words every night. There, where, how, do, she. Back to our objective for today. I can identify problem and solution. So we said that when we read fiction stories, sometimes in the story there's a problem. Say problem. A problem. The problem is what goes wrong in the story. Look at that girl. She's scared because the frog got out of the cage. That's the problem. Well, most of the time, if there's a problem, there's also a solution. Can you say solution? Solution. The solution is how the problem gets solved or how the problem is fixed. Do you see the boy? He picked up the frog. So the problem was that the frog got out of the cage. But the solution is the boy found the frog and saved him. So I have some problems here for us, and I want you to help me find the solution to the problem, because the problem and the solution have to match. They have to go together. So here's a problem. It says, it started raining right before I was going to walk to school. That's a problem. They don't want to get wet. What would the solution be? Let's look at these solutions. I got an umbrella so I wouldn't get wet. I said I was sorry and bought her a new one. Which solution fits with the problem? Did you say I got an umbrella so I wouldn't get wet? That's the solution to the problem. The other one doesn't make sense. That doesn't help you fix this situation. Let's look at another one. It said, my mom got a flat tire. Oh no. Let's find a solution. His mom put a Band-Aid on it and gave him a big hug. Or she took the car to the mechanic and they fixed it. Which solution fits with the problem? Well, mom putting a Band-Aid would be a solution, but not for this story. For this story, the solution is she took the car to the mechanic and they fixed it. So today, Miss Smith has a story. It is called Luis and the Game. Listen to the story. Luis was excited. The new computer game he wanted was finally in stores. The game is here, he told his mom. Can we go buy it? How much does it cost? Luis's mother asked. $35, he said. That is a lot of money, Luis. Do you have enough to buy it yourself? He shook his head. You know, Luis, we have to spend our money carefully. We have to pay for our house and food. We need to buy clothing and books and gas for our car. Our money goes to things we need. But I really want this game, answered Luis. What can I do? You get $8 a week for doing chores, his mom said. Try to save it. Before long, you will have enough to pay for the game. I do not think so, said Luis. By then, all the games will be sold. Try it, replied his mother. Weeks later, Luis came home very happy. Guess what, Mama? I did what you said. I saved my chore money. Then I saw the game on sale. Today I bought it for $28. And, his mother added, you did it with your own money. Now that we've read the story, let's identify the problem and the solution. In the story, what was the problem? What went wrong? The problem was that Luis wanted a video game, but his mom did not give him the money and he did not have enough money to buy it. What was the solution? The solution was he saved $8 each week until he had enough money. So we found the problem and the solution in that story. Now it's time for you to find the problem and solution in a story. Today you are going to read the story Bill's Garden. In the story, there is a problem and a solution. Make sure you read the story and identify the problem and the solution. Remember, today's activity is a quick check, so you should be trying to find the problem and the solution by yourself, not with any help.